You have systems. You have tools that you like and that work really well. You have a solid foundation, business is running, you're making money, things are working. But if we're being honest, they're working because you are the one working them. Now, before we go any further, I'm Ashley Tyndall, the boss behind Solution Integrators. And today I'm going to show you some really dope shit that I created for a client of mine who is a systems girly. She gets it. She knows the power. She understands the importance. She has the foundation in place, but she knew in order to get to her next, however she wanted to define it, however you define it, whether it's hiring, whether it's scaling your offer, it's making more money, it's serving more clients, it's doing nothing, whatever next means for you, it's going to require something else. And for her, it was removing herself and hiring me. So let's get into it. Now, I'm going to start by saying I take zero credit for building any of these Airtable bases, okay? Like I said, my client is a systems girly, all right? She knows her shit. She knows her tech. And so all of this was set up already. My job was to come in and understand how she likes to run things today and how I can help her to run things easier and how I can help her to run things without her having to do the running. So my client at the time that she reached out was leveraging a convert box form on her website for leads to come in. Leads come in to this Airtable base here. She loves leveraging Airtable for her leads, being able to capture that data, take all of her notes here, being able to see what offers she would recommend, their offer value, all of the data that she needed. She wanted that to be here. But she also knew that Dubsado was a necessary evil. Y'all know I love Dubsado, but I also understand that it's not for everybody, okay? But she knew it was a necessary evil. But so when it was time for her to go and send a proposal, send a contract, send an invoice, it took so much of her time, so much of her energy to have to leave Airtable, go over to Dubsado, manually create all these things and make sure that, hey, am I billing in USD or Canadian? Do I have the contract updated? Did the invoice reflect correctly? So her process, while defined, yes, it was so very disjointed because she had to manually take action in so many different steps. So for me, what I immediately heard was I need to listen to how she wants to run things. How does she want things to flow, right? Now, sometimes, I can't work miracles, but as soon as she told me I want to work in Airtable up until I no longer can and I have to go send a proposal, right? But then once it's time for me to send that proposal, I want that to be as easy and as seamless as possible. For me, say less. I knew that we could integrate Airtable via Zapier with Dubsado in a way that once she was ready, all she would have to do is push a button to send all of the information that she captured in Airtable to a proposal, a contract, and an invoice. And it would only include the information that she needed to send, right? She could select her offer, the start date that she agreed with the lead on the call, the currency. So whether it's, USD or Canadian, and then of course, giving her some notes here. Hey, this information is going to populate in the Dubsado welcome email. So make sure this is here. Make sure you got all the info that you need here. And then when you are ready, she hits this drop down and says send to Dubsado. At that point, she's done. Everything that she needs, again, was captured inside of Airtable because that's where she wants to work. So I've said this in several other videos if you've watched, but I am big on making sure that you define how you want to work and then you go find tools that support and enable that. You do not confine how you work to that tool because of its limitations. Because otherwise, you're going to end up with a shitty ass process that can't do what you need it to do because you stuck. So once she hits that button, Zapier gets to work. Now, this looks complicated because it is fairly complicated, but So is my client's process. So is the work that my client does. She has a complex offer. So that requires us to do some complex shit. So this then goes and looks and says, hey, based off of the offer that she selected and the currency that she selected, go create a project in Dubsado and start a very specific workflow. Again, I don't want my client to have to go hop back and forth and decide, what do I need to do in Dubsado? What do I need to copy and paste from Airtable? What needs to happen here? What needs to happen there? Nope. Everything that she needs, once she opens up Dubsado, the workflow is automatically going to be applied. The correct proposal is going to be there. The correct contract is going to be there. The correct payment plan is going to be there. All she has to do is review the proposal. She hits approve, it goes out. That's the only time she has to spend in Dubsado. Again, she realized it was a necessary evil. She loves leveraging Airtable. So now we need Dubsado to talk back to Airtable once they pay. How can I remove the human aspects of things so that my client just has to show up, send a welcome message, and focus on onboarding, preparing herself to go serve that client? So based off of the service that she had already selected over inside of Airtable when the lead first came in, it then continues on here for her unique process. It uses ClickUp to create a unique ClickUp list template that she already had. We decided to leverage ClickUp channels for communication so that things weren't disjointed. We're sending her ClickUp messages. We're creating a records inside of her Airtable hub. I am not taking credit for it because, again, she already had these things in place. It was my job to better integrate it. So the client's going to get welcomed inside of Dubsado. They're going to receive their welcome email. My client could be sitting on the beach, reading a book, chilling out. Her client's being welcomed. Her client's being onboarded. She doesn't have to go do these things. Before, she would have to, again, leave Airtable, hop over to Dubsado, go send all those things. Once the client took action inside of Dubsado, she'd have to come back to Airtable and manually onboard them herself. Now she can see the action items and the deliverable placeholders be created for her, all inside of her unique system, her unique tech setup that worked well for her. Again, she had this set up already. She knew how she wanted things to flow. She just didn't know, how can I get clients in here automatically so that I don't have to do anything else? How can I make sure that they receive their action items as soon as they book so that they don't have to wait on me? I don't want there to be a delay. I want them to complete their onboarding form and give me access and share information. I want them to be able to see the deliverables that I'm going to complete as a part of their project that we had already discussed. I want that information in here. She had this set up already. I didn't have to go touch any of this stuff. I just had to help her improve it, to remove her out of having to take the manual action, the human action out of making all this shit work. Everything that you saw here was created inside of a glow up. I had to take the time to sit down and understand really the method behind the madness. And madness isn't a bad thing. I had to take the time to understand why things are the way they are before I ever go touching shit, before I ever go making changes. Yes, I'm always going to provide my recommendations, why I feel things should change or, things like that. But I want to make sure when I'm gone that you can still operate inside of this foundation because it's your business. You still have to run this business. And it doesn't matter if I loved Dubsado. If she hated it, but who cares, right? If I set up this entire complex inquiry and onboarding process inside of Dubsado, it does not matter if she was not going to use it because it didn't work well for how she wanted to serve her client. So everything you've seen here today can be done inside of a glow up. Now, if you're like, look, Ashley, I just want a piece of my onboarding to be done. I got, my inquiry process is nailed. I got my launch tech set up. I don't need help with that. I just need folks to be able to accept a proposal. I get paid. Maybe I send a proposal from Airtable or I'm leveraging Honeybook and I need a cleaner and easier process to go from I am interested, pay me, to I am welcomed. That is a single focus area that I consider your onboarding process, right? Your booking and onboarding process. And that I can handle for you in a week inside of a system sprint. Below you will find the links to both. If you decide, look, Ashley, I want your hands all up in it all. That is a glow up. If you're like, Ashley, I need the biggest impact, help now, immediately, quick. I need to get paid on autopilot. Help me. You need a sprint, and I can get that done in a week. Of course, make sure you check out all the other videos of other dope shit that I've created. And until next time, I will see y'all later.